A lion's voice must always be in tip-top shape. Fa la 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 la. Oh, what happened to my voice? Oh, wait a minute. That sound wasn't from me. It was from you. Oh, good. That's a relief. Oh, wait a minute. Is this a guessing game? Are you playing animal noises? Ah, okay. Fantastic. I'll guess what animal makes that sound. Wait one moment. Okay. Well, according to this book, you must be a hyena. No? Okay, so that book was useless. Well, I guess a hyena does make more of a laughing sound. And that doesn't sound like the sound you are making. Aha! I know what I can do. A little singing always helps. La la la, la la. Oh, now I know. You are being a dog. I was wrong. Oh, well. Well, I guess a dog doesn't sound like the noise you are making. Okay, I have no idea what animal noise that is. Okay, we give up. A black howler monkey! Oh, hey, I got a great idea. Why don't we all howl like howler monkeys? Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Black howler monkey.